Hello students, now we shall look at the turbine governing. Basically, governing means you have governors in diesel engines also. So the governors are supposed to the equipments which are used to maintain a constant speed irrespective of the load and gradient. This comes in diesel engines. In this idle power plant, see, governing means now what we can govern here. Only thing is the supply of water to the turbine. So either we can increase the supply to the turbine or reduce the water supply to the turbine. And why it has to be done? This because if the load is more, suppose if the demand of electricity is more, then more water has to be supplied to the turbine. And demand of electricity is less, then less water has to be supplied to the turbine. Okay. Now how it is done? These turbine are very huge, I told you, and even the nozzle here you can see this is like a Pelton wheel. Even in our institution, in our fluid mechanics lab, you have got a Pelton wheel, and you have got this spear which controls the flow of water through the nozzle. Okay, and in our lab what we are having, that spear is controlled by a wheel. Okay, manually it can be increased or decreased by rotating the wheel in clockwise or anti-clockwise direction. But in real practice, as we have told, 50 megawatt plant we have seen in Kaiga, Kadra as well as in Super Dam. So they are very huge. They cannot be operated by hand. So they have to be operated mechanically. And how they are now operated mechanically? They are operated by hydraulic oil pressure. They are operated by hydraulic oil pressure. So now you can see the spear here. If the oil is supplied from the back side of the piston, the spear will go inside and the flow will be reduced. If the oil is supplied from the right side of the piston, this relay cylinder, then the piston will go to travel towards the left, and the spear will come out, and more amount of water will be supplied to the Pelton wheel. Okay. Now this operation of movement of this relay cylinder, how it is done? It is done based on the speed. This is known as speed governor, and the same speed governors are available. You can see that governor physically in our lab, design engineering lab, which is taught in final year for final year students. I think you will be studying this design engineering lab where you have a governor. What is governor? Very simple it is. See, here you have got a drive from the turbine. Mechanical drive is there. So there are two gears are in mesh. This drive is coming from the turbine. Okay. Now what happens? If the turbine is rotating slow, when there is extra load, and then the turbine will start rotating slow. When the turbine starts rotating slow, then this gears also start rotating slow because the drive is taken from the turbine. As this gears rotate so, now you can see because of these gears, you have the governor is at three different positions, A, B and C. Okay, and these are the weights. These are all hanging these two water hanging are the fly weights. And this entire thing rotates. This entire thing rotates. If the speed reduces, then the fly weights come down. If okay, and if the speed come down to position B, and if the speed increases of the turbine increases, then it goes to the position. This fly weights can go to the position C, and a normal speed it will be at position A. So you have got three different speeds. Okay, one is slow speed. If the turbine is at slow speed, it will come to B. If it is at normal speed, it will go to A, and if the turbine is rotating high speed, it will go to C. Now this center you have got this shaft. Okay, now you can see the center shaft, because of this fly weights rotating, this shaft also will go up or come down. Okay, this entire assembly will either go up or come down, and this is connected to the fulcrum, and this fulcrum is connected to the control valve. Now you can see this control to the P and Q. This is a control valve. So what happens? Because of the movement of this sleeve here, okay, the fulcrum this rod is actuated, and these control valves are actuated. So what happens? Now the gear pump which is producing oil, which will supply the oil, and accordingly the oil will be supplied either to the right side of the relay valve or to the left side of the relay valve. If it's supplied to the left side of the relay valve, means the water supply to the Pelton wheel is reduced. If it is supplied to the right side of the relay valve, means the water supply to the Pelton wheel is increased. This is known as governing. Very simple. This is mechanical governor based on fly weights only, and very simple it is. As the speed increases, fly weights fly away. If the speed reduces, the fly weights come inside. Okay, very simple it is. Okay, and the three positions you have seen, and this mechanism is this movement of the fly weights is ultimately controlling the flow of the water to the turbine. This is known as turbine governing, especially when there is a sudden load, okay, or sudden reduction in load or sudden increase in load. This comes into picture. Okay, thank you.